Okay, right now I'm just going to be demonstrating again just the cutting efficiency of the compo tools, and I'm going to just work the instrument on this overbuilt composite just to show the audience how well the instruments cut. Okay, as you can see, it's a very delicate cut, a very precise cut, and you can really get seamless margins. Okay, and they're very efficient, and I generally also very often use them for trimming very minor high spots on occlusal composites or on lingual composites. Okay, so just for the demo, as I said, I have overbuilt it slightly here just to show the tools in action. So generally, if you did not overbuild it, you would essentially do very light trimming action.